If you're starting to use the pathfinding service to move a model avatar, then this basic tutorial is for you. Hello! In this basic tutorial we're gonna see how we can move this avatar model from the point 0 to the point 1. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna understand all the elements of the stage. We have the NPC, the point 0 and the point 1. We have them in the workspace, inside the folder named lab, the NPC, the P0 which is a part, and P1 which is a part. Let's see the expected result. Okay, here we can see all the logic that moves the NPC. We're gonna see every part by part. After commenting this part, we can focus in this and this part. At the beginning, what we're doing is taking all the elements from the stage and referencing them. We use the workspace service to get the lab folder, get the NPC which is inside the lab folder, and the humanoid of the NPC. The NPC, the humanoid of the NPC. After doing that, we're gonna take the part 0 and the part 1. Both are inside the folder lab. The next is to create a path from the P0 to the P1. In order to do that, we use the pathfinding service. We're gonna create the path and compute a scene. Now, in the path, we're gonna have a series of waypoints. Let's use a print to see all the waypoints. Here we can have all the waypoints generated in that path. Once we have the waypoints, we can loop through them using a for. Inside that for, we can use the method MoveTo to move the NPC humanoid. Let's see how it goes. Nice. We can move the positions and see again the result. Nice. I hope you have learned how to move an NPC through a path. If you have questions, let me know in the comments.